In this video, I'll briefly demonstrate how to create a request entirely online through hXe. This video is intended for all types of third-party requesters such as law offices and insurance companies. The first thing we need to do is log in. Once you have logged in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. In order to create a new request, hover over Create Request and click New Request from the left navigation pane. This is where the request process begins. Creating a new request can be completed in 4 simple steps. First, fill in the healthcare provider's name to whom you're requesting records from. If an entry does not populate, click Add New Recipient to create a personal contact entry. This is covered in more details in Adding and Managing Facility Contacts video. For test purposes, we'll use hospitals of demonstration. Next, fill in the basic patient's information: name, date of birth, and their medical record number if it's available to you. After this, fill in the request information, request purpose, your internal reference number if you have one, and the date you need records by. Choose a reasonable time frame, otherwise the work queues become less meaningful if the providers are receiving everything within a short time frame. Lastly, you'll need to upload your normal request letter along with the HIPAA authorization form. Once these documents have been uploaded, press Submit and your request will be submitted to the provider office, notifying them of the new request with instructions on how to send the records back electronically. In order to view your submitted request, go to the left navigation pane, hover over My Activities, and click Submitted Requests. On this page, you can see the request that you have just submitted along with your previously submitted requests. In another video, we'll demonstrate how to monitor and manage the requests that you have submitted and the actions you can take moving forward. Now it's your turn. If you have any questions, please contact our customer support team at support@hxe.io.